Back in action here on Maurice's Vette. Already got the alternator belt off. Gonna pull our water pump, which has definitely seen better days. Get that pulled off, ready to go. And then we will go from there. Because we did get a new water pump. Maurice bought a nice Stewart pump, which is very similar to the ones we race with. Good high-end stuff. Alright, so we've got our bolts out of our water pump. Bombs away. Pull that baby out of there. Big old heavy iron honking piece of SHIT. That's obviously been resealed and effed with in the past. There we go. I'll go undo the hose on that side. I'll pull this baby out, and I want to take this cover off. I just want to see how bad the impeller is. Alright, got the pump on the bench. That's our first problem. Definitely got a wobble going on there. Whee! Alright, so I'm going to pull the pulley off. I'm going to pull the cover off the back. I want to check out the impeller. Right. So, got all the hardware out of the back of the pump. Oh my god. Someone had a silicone party. That impeller has seen better days, I'd say. Eek. Eek. Good God. Glad we got a nice new one to go on. I actually got a feeling this isn't even the original cover for this. Mainly because it looks like somebody ground it on the edges to fit. Wow. Alright, and here is the brand new aluminum Stewart. Real nice water pump. Stewart makes great pumps. I know we've been using them all on the race cars for years and years, and we've never had a failure. And we wing these things up pretty high in RPM. I'm just going to test fit our pulley. That will be fitting. Looks good. Okay, I'm going to clean everything up. Need to clean up the block here. Get our mating surfaces nice and ready. Because right now they're yucky yucky. And we can put the pump on. It's going to be nice. Alright, so I tried to get the car up on the lift, and it ain't gonna happen because side pipes sit so low, and the exhaust comes out of the headers, and it goes woo, woo. You know, it does like a W. Well, not a W, but you know what I mean. It goes to come back to go into the side pipes, because real side pipes had fender exit headers. They're underneath the subframe. Can't get the lift under it. Jack up the back of the car. Can't get the lift under the back because it'll hit the side pipes. So I get to roll this thing back and fight with it and put it on jack stands and try to do everything on the floor. So that's just added time. But, you know, it's just frustrating. But it's, when you're dealing with custom, hey, you know, that's how it is sometimes. So, we'll be rolling back on that. It's going to start getting ready to get the starter out, get that handled. And start chasing the wiring back in the car, too. Because that's a disaster. And then I gotta get all our bushings and all that stuff situated. You can see right down there. Yeah, that's scary. That's bushing coming out. on the lower arm. Yeah. Terrifying. Anyway, I'd really like to do that up on the lift, but it's physically impossible. So that's going to be fun and a lot of time spent on the floor. But, oh well, it is what it is. It's just time. But it's all billable.